Have you ever pondered the profusion of flavors that reside in your own backyard, just waiting to be uncovered? It may seem like a peculiar thought, but this is a question worth exploring. Nature itself is a hidden pantry of intriguing flavors that can enhance your daily meals with new and exciting tastes. And what's even better, this begins right in your backyard. Before we dive deeper into the topic, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Don't miss out on valuable tips, DIY projects, and the joy of nurturing your own green haven. Subscribe and let's grow together. Now, let's continue with our journey. First, dandelion, often overlooked but not anymore. Its leaves, flowers, and roots can all be consumed. The leaves are a great addition to salads, whereas the roots can be roasted to make a robust coffee substitute. Next up, we have red clover. The flower heads and leaves of this plant can be eaten raw or cooked. It offers a sweet, mild flavor and is packed with nutritional benefits. Moving on, cattail shoots deserve a mention. They are often compared to corn in taste and can be eaten raw, steamed, boiled, or roasted. They're not just tasty, but also a great source of vitamin C. An excellent example of wild edible is the asparagus. Often cultivated for its tender shoots, asparagus also grows wildly in several regions. These wild spears are thinner than their cultivated counterparts and equally delicious. Now you might be surprised, but the humble nettle, when cooked, lose their sting and serve as a nutritious and flavorful ingredient. They can be used in soups, stews, or brewed as a tea. Then there's the garlic mustard. This invasive species may be a nuisance for some, but its leaves feature a garlic-like taste, and both its roots and seeds can be used for flavoring in a variety of dishes. The elderberry, a plant known for its clusters of dark, juicy berries, can be transformed into pies, jams, wines, and even syrups. But caution is advised. While ripe berries are safe to consume, their leaves, stems, and unripe berries are toxic. Finally, let's not overlook the curled dock. Its tart, lemony leaves can be cooked like spinach or added to salads. However, they tend to get bitter as they age, so it's best to consume them while they're young. This is just a peek into the world of edible plants. There's a profusion of flavors waiting to be discovered right in your backyard. Savor the taste of nature, but always remember, not every plant is edible, and some can even be toxic. Always consult a local expert or reliable source before foraging. This journey is as much about discovering as it is about flavor. It's about connecting with nature, appreciating its generosity, and exploring the infinite culinary prospects it presents. Are you ready to unearth the flavors hidden in your own backyard? Don't forget to subscribe to more amazing content.